Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis or our quick analysis. It's Thursday, and you can easily see that we are on a economic calendar. Forex Factory. For those who are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like, share with your friends, so we can easily see that we are on economic calendar here. We have interest rates from Europe around 2:15, and we're gonna have the conference 15 minutes later. No, not 15 minutes later. I mean, like 30 minutes later, we're gonna have let's see, it's 30 minutes later. So we also have unemployment claims or jobless claims from the US. So on Friday, we have retail sales from GBP and CAD or Canada. So we saw yesterday the dollar, it was crazy going, it was selling, and also Nasdaq, it was quite seriously selling, but Nasdaq was actually also selling. Bit crazy. So, but anyways, let's just go straight to that. Let's go straight to that and see what's really happening. For those who want to talk to me, if you want to talk to me, if you want to be part of the team, let me know. We have our contact, or just scan that QR code if you want signals, mentorship, or signal indicator. Let me know. We always have some specials, so just talk to me. Then we can get something. So now what's really happening? What's really happening on dollar index? If you did check the market yesterday, or if you did check my analysis yesterday, maybe you saw that actually dollar index, it was breaking out. Do you see that? Remember, we had this nice support area, and the market seems to be getting out of that structure. Or let me just show you on a nice daily time frame. Let's go on a daily time frame. Maybe this will be way too clear. Let's see. Maybe you can see that. Now you can see that. So we can see that we had this very nice support area for quite some time, and the market seems to be breaking out. Now it seems to be going a little bit higher, but I think this will end up going down, which means the dollar is losing some momentum. Why? Because there are speculations that we might have interest rates cuts or rates cuts in September. I hope maybe you had that. So which means this July, because I think month end of this July, we're going to have rates. So which means they're not going to cut. So it means it's going to be on the next rates session, or another meeting, which is going to be around September. So which means, that doesn't really look good. Or for those who understand the market, they will tell you that most likely the market will price itself to the future events. Like now we expect them to cut the rates. Most likely the market will be trying to move from now on. And it seems like it's starting to happen. We see the market breaking out of that. I thought maybe the market was going to respect that, but guess what? We also had retail sales which were actually positive. We were expecting to see some very nice push. Yes, they were positive, but not really that aggressively positive. So that did not really sit well with the dollar. And the speculation that we might have the rates cuts, they actually have a higher impact on dollar index, or actually the dollar. And if that happens, this is what we need. This is what I actually want. I wanted to see the dollar losing some momentum so that we can easily buy US30s, Nasdaqs, all those. Right? So now I think that it's enough. I hope you understand where we're going. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be Euro USD. So on Euro USD, I did keep this actually nice notification there. I was waiting for the market to break nicely there before I look for a buy, and it seems like the market will be doing that. It seems like the market is willing to actually go higher. Why? Because the dollar is losing that momentum. You can see that we are coming from this nice downtrend structure. Now this is a very nice breakout. Obviously, we will have to have something like this going even higher. And this week, we don't really have any aggressive economic news, even though we have like jobless claims later on, or unemployment claims, that is not really an aggressive economic news. But if maybe things are going to be negative, that will be some very nice moves later on. But at the moment, to me, this is a very clear breakout. So we have to just jump on this Euro USD and start to make some cash. Do you see that? So this is a very nice one. We're no longer on that downtrend. Yes, I was expecting to see the market going down as the market was just playing around that resistance, but it seems like we no longer have that. We no longer have that. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be USD JPY. I think these structures, they are quite very visible here, or very nice on a daily time frame. We can see that we had a very proper, this was a very proper uptrend structure, guys. You can see that. So the market has been going up for quite some time. We were expecting a continuation, but guess what? The market thought twice and said, you know what? We're no longer that stronger. The dollar is losing some momentum, and we can see on every pair. So now we expect to see the market continuing going down. But something that you should be understanding is mostly once the market is breaking out, remember, these trends can last very long. So don't just jump on that, and because you don't really want to miss out. So wait, these trends can last longer. Let me show you the ones that the one that we had before. This uptrend started 2023, let's say last year December, until now. You see, so that is pure 7 months of this uptrend. So once the market is breaking out here, play safe, because the market might come back and retest or play around before it gives us a proper downtrend. And that's what the market does most of the time, you see. So think twice before you jump on this trade or this pair, because we might have some crazy moves before we have a proper structure. So don't just lose here when we still have a very long way to go on this downtrend structure. And once they start to cut the rates, that will be a very good thing. That will be a very, very, very good thing. So now what's really happening on GBPUSD? I think on GBPUSD, we need to jump on that. I think that is a resistant area, and it seems like the market just retested that. So we had a very nice structure. You can see that we are coming from this nice downtrend structure, and it seems like the market will be changing. Sorry, the market already changed that. So now we expect that nice bullish move. And as you know, the dollar is losing some momentum, so we expect to see some very nice moves. You see that? I hope you see that. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So this is what we are going to focus at the moment. We are going to look for this type of a move. Why? Because we are on a very nice uptrend. But don't rush. Don't rush, because we're still going to have some very nice opportunities. Yes, the market was acting crazy, but that doesn't really happen every time. Sometimes the market just have to retest, and when you jump on the market once it was retesting, most likely you're not gonna get it right, you see, and you will be blaming your brokers and stuff. But most of the time we are the ones who are wrong, just because we don't really want to miss. We just want to be in trades unnecessarily, you see. So now what's really happening? What's really happening on gold? Gold is still showing us some very nice potential to go even higher, especially when we expect the rate cuts from the US side. This will be very nice, because the dollar will be losing some momentum, and we already saw that. So from this structure, you can see that nicely that we had this ranging structure, a very long one, by the way, and then the market is breaking out. So we expect to see the market continuing going higher. Yes, we did smash this one, and I think we did smash the other one, which was here. And after the breakout, we also had another trade, which we did smash, and we are still smashing if you're still holding, because this was our entry. So I'm still expecting to see the market going higher, but it seems like this is going to be something like a resistance. Maybe this might be potential support or something, because we have so many structures. So we don't really know which one the market is going to choose. Yes, you can see that previously it was this structure, but you might find that the market is going to create a new structure along the way. So we have to think outside the box. But at the moment, yes, we're still going to consider this area, and the market will have to give us something. But yes, we are on that bullish move. We are on that uptrend. I'm still expecting to have some very nice bullish moves along the way. Some they can say, Kenzo, don't you see something like this? That is very steep. I don't think the market will keep up with that for quite long, but the market has to give us a proper reversals, proper moves that we can use to keep us in those trades, or to keep to continue buying on that uptrend. So on US30, we smashed this one several times, guys. We smashed this one in our group, and I sometimes hate it because, you know, when you start to have trading plans and stuff, it means you don't really have to trade everything. So on my trading plan, I don't really trade US30, you see. So which means I did not really take those opportunities when the market was going higher. Remember, I never said we should be selling. If you did check my previous videos, I was just talking about bullish moves, and I was talking about the market trying to catch where Nasdaq is. Even though Nasdaq, it was trying to reverse, but I know US30 will try to have some crazy moves like that. But besides that, you can see that the market is actually doing what? The market is giving us a proper move to the upside. We have this consolidation structure, consolidation. So that is going to be a very proper move. And what I'm expecting from US30 here, I'm still expecting to see a very proper move. Yesterday, we also had a very nice move, and the market did move in a profit, but not really that aggressive, but we smashed this one very nice. That was also a very nice one. I think a day before yesterday, which is going to be what, Tuesday, I think. Yes. So we did smash that. So I'm still expecting to see the market continuing to go higher. But even though we expect the market to go higher, it doesn't really mean the market doesn't really have to reverse. Along the way, the market might still reverse, and we will keep buying, as I'm actually on a very nice bullish move, especially when we now expect to see the new, we expect the rates to go lower. That is a very good thing. So in the group, we already sent this buy pending order for Nasdaq. I was expecting the market to reverse around this level yesterday, but the market failed and kept going up. Our order was not triggered, so now we have an order here. So we expect to see the market continuing to go to the upside. For those who wants to be part of the team, this is my contacts. Talk to me there. You can just scan that QR code and we can just talk. If you want VIP signals, monthly, 6 months, just talk to me there. We have some special. So let's see. On Nasdaq, the overall structure is, it's a very nice bullish move. It's a very nice bullish move, and you can see we've been talking about this for quite some time, but now the market reached a level where we can say it's actually on a support area, on our diagonal support area for quite some time. It's been there for quite some time. Now I'm expecting to see the market pushing up quite slower. I don't really expect to see this type of a move going up. The market might just consolidate going higher, but at the end of the day, the market will be higher, or the market will be going in our favor. So we have to think twice there, and we have to be patient. The market might take only few hours to reach this area, from this area, but to go back there, it might take a week or two. It's possible. You have to understand that. So we don't really have to rush the market. And sometimes patience, it's everything, and you have to learn that. You don't just wake up and you have patience. No, you have to practice that. You have to have trading plans, and slowly you will be reaching where you will be trying to reach, you see. So now I like what I see here on S&P 500. We also have quite similar structure to what we have on Nasdaq, but Nasdaq did reach this level of a support. But on S&P 500, it shows us that we are on this smaller support, horizontal support. So we'll be expecting to see the market pushing higher. Maybe later on we might see something like that. But when we go closer, you can see that the market is actually on this nice support area. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to see a very nice push, something like that. Now the market is still playing around here, but I'm expecting a very nice push to the upside. What's happening with the other pairs? We are on German. German 30 or German 40, it's actually playing games here. We were expecting to see the market going higher. You can see, let me just remove that. So you can see that the market seems to be now creating something like a horizontal support there. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the upside, but it seems like the market is not really that stronger. So maybe the market will end up consolidating here, or maybe the market will end up going down. But what we have here, it was a proper downtrend structure. Do you see that? Actually, it was, firstly, it was like this. Then we had this breakout here, which it was actually a horizontal structure. Then after the market broke out of this structure, so it's a bit confusing. If you check this structure there, it's not really nice, it's not really clean. So maybe the market wants to create something like that, but we have to start it from here going further. So we'll see if maybe the market will end up going up or down. If it goes down, it means it has to be below the structure. But it seems like we have to update our structure quite slower to see where the market is going. But at the moment, I think it's going to be a very nice thing for us to relax. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil smashed. You see that? So this is what we have, by the way. We had a very nice downtrend structure. And after the breakout, the market started to play games with us. So this signal was sent. I don't know if we did send this in the group, in the free group, but yeah, this was sent in our premium group, I think on Tuesday. So yeah, you can see our entry there. It was our entry. Just look where the market reached, exactly where I was expecting a take profit. So I hope everyone is out. If you did take this US oil trade, I hope you are out. You can see that. So what's happening here is, after we had the breakout, we also had this sort of a support area. And from here, I was just expecting to see the market continuing with that uptrend. But nope, the market came back on this support, and it shows us that this is a horizontal move. So I'm expecting to see those type of moves and something like a ranging structure. But what I like here is we did smash that. If you want to smash with us, if you want to be profitable with us, you can just scan that QR code, talk to me there, and then you can be part of the team, or you can just WhatsApp that, or check our description. You will find my WhatsApp link. Then you can start to eat with us. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.